Got a package. Time to see what it is. Okay, it's the fuel pump that I need for my car. That's it. It came out of the box. I'm fitting to put the high volume fuel pump on my car, so I needed a filter. And this is the one I got. Yeah, shitty box. But everything seemed to be in order. The clips are on it, on each side. It's the exact size and make. And also I got LED lights for the interior of my car. There they are. Let me take them out so I can take a look at them. And here they are. Little small ones. Looks like a little chip. Got an LED on one side, an LED on the other side, and an LED on the top. And this just basically plugs into your socket. There you go. I got 10 of them. Got a good price on them. I'm going to need 3 for the dome light, 1 for the glove box, 1 for the trunk, and 2 for the license plate in the back. That leaves me with 3 extras. Doesn't hurt none. I'll just put these to the side. If I ever need some extra ones, I got them right here. But this is it. Tomorrow I'm going to make an installation video. Until then, I'll see you.